Press the audio button at the bottom, then press Effects. You have a bunch of sound effects to choose from. In this case, go to Transition. Go through the sound effects and choose the one you want to use. Then press the blue plus button to the right. A sound effect layer will appear on your timeline. Trim the layer if you need to, so you're not waiting a few seconds to hear the sound effect. Line it up to where your sticker pops up on the screen. You may find your sound effect is too loud. Tap your sound effect layer and press the volume icon in the bottom left. Adjust the bar to your preferred volume. Do this for all your stickers and even certain words in your videos. Even the call to action stickers, which you can find by tapping on the power icon. Here's what the video should sound like. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Capcut and take full advantage of all its features. That's how you add sound effects to your videos.